Now here is something which you don't see very often in the United States anyway. This is a 1993 Jetta with the 1.9 liter turbo diesel engine. We have to start it up to move it. As you can see, it is cold here today in Michigan, and the glow plugs do not work very well on this car, so it's going to be unhappy. Alright, I took the dinger out so we don't have to listen to that thing going at it. Key on. Alright. Come on! Alright, let's try again. Here, you hold the camera.
Still recording?
Yeah, it's going. Might not start. It's about 20 degrees outside today.
And the injectors in this thing are crap. Who knows what else is crap?
Well, that was an ordeal.